Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are unboxing a brand new package that just arrived from Westside. Let's tear right into this and check out what I picked up. And here it is, the WES Formals Wine Knitted T-shirt. I grabbed this in a size medium. As you can see on the tags, it's a slim fit and features a classic crew neck. The retail price on this one is 999 rupees, which is a pretty solid price point for a knitted piece like this. Let's take a closer look at this material. The knitted texture immediately gives it a much more premium, elevated feel compared to your standard cotton tees. The fabric is super soft to the touch. Looking at the sleeves and the hem, the stitching is really clean and minimal. And as you can see, it has a really nice, comfortable stretch to it, meaning it'll move with you throughout the day. Alright, let's snip these tags off and see how it actually fits. Alright, here we go. Straight away, the wine color looks absolutely fantastic out here in the natural light. It is a true slim fit. You can see how it comfortably hugs the chest and shoulders without feeling overly tight or restrictive. The crew neck sits perfectly. Checking out the side and back profile, the drape of the knitted fabric is excellent. The sleeve length is spot on, hitting right at the mid-bicep. It has a great overall length, so you could easily wear this untucked with chinos for a smart casual vibe, or tuck it into formal trousers for an office-ready look. Overall, a really versatile, high-quality addition to the wardrobe.